New product release. We are proud to release the HDi Kaze intake system for Alfa Romeo Giulia 2-liter turbo. The Kaze intake initiative employs the latest technology, fluid dynamically analyzing the OEM plastic intake hoses, in order to maximize the intake efficiency, and maintaining minimum alteration to the original design for the easiest installation. More breakthrough development is underway. Stay tuned for more product updates. HDi design, test and manufacturer. For more information please contact sales@hybrid-power.com.